Two video editing platforms. One trusted by Hollywood, one crushing it on TikTok. Which one really delivers? On the left, Adobe Premiere Pro, Hollywood-grade editing power. And on the right, CapCut, social-first, lightning-fast editing. Let's skip the buzzwords and cut straight to the real advantages. We'll break down the key categories, tally the scores, and reveal the winner, so you know exactly which suits you best. And trust me, the final result for 2025 might surprise you.
Okay, first, here's our roadmap for this comparison. We're going to look at pricing, editing features, color correction, audio editing, workflow speed and convenience, platform and device support, AI and automation, collaboration and cloud, and, yep, best use case. I know, it's a lot, but stick with me. Let's start with pricing. Premiere Pro, classic industry heavyweight here, definitely expects you to pay up. It's a professional suite that gets frequent updates, and honestly, it's sort of the standard. But, and it's a big but, you have to subscribe. No free permanent tier, folks. Now, CapCut, this is where things get interesting. CapCut is mostly free, and for basic stuff, there's no subscription involved. Yeah, some premium extras might cost, and you could see some ads or TikTok promos. But overall, it's super budget-friendly. So yeah, for pricing, CapCut is absolutely the winner. Next up, editing features. Premiere Pro brings out the big guns here. We're talking advanced timelines, multicam editing, nested sequences, the whole 9 yards. Precision trims, ripple edits, custom transitions, and you can load up on plugins. The catch? It's complicated, and not at all mobile-friendly. You'll need time, and probably a bunch of tutorials. Switching to CapCut, this is all about drag-and-drop simplicity. Quick cuts, splits, fun filters, and loads of templates. So, TikTok, right? Tons of cool, trendy effects, but honestly, it just doesn't stand up for professional stuff. No multicam, no deep workflow customizations. For editing firepower, Premiere Pro takes the win. And on color correction, Premiere Pro is a beast. You've got the Lumetri panel, control over everything, exposure, curves, LUTs, but let's be real, it's not beginner-friendly at all. Color grading can be intimidating. CapCut, though? Instant filters, auto-enhance, easy-peasy aesthetics for your social posts. It's fast, looks good, but if you want real fine-tuning, it's just not going to cut it. Again, Premiere Pro wins here. Oh, and here's something fun. Did you know CapCut was one of the most downloaded apps in 2024 and literally powers millions of TikTok edits every single day? That's wild. Audio editing.
Oh, this is huge if you actually care about sound. With Premiere Pro, you get keyframe-based mixing, can bounce stuff over to Adobe Audition, loads of tracks, pro-level noise removal, basically everything. But yeah, it's steeper to learn, takes more setup. CapCut, well, it's all about simplicity. Drag in your background music, do a quick fade in or out, and maybe record a voiceover. There's no deep mixing, just the basics. So, audio, you guessed it, Premiere Pro is your winner. Let's talk about workflow speed and convenience. Premiere Pro, look, if you want total control, this is great. Loads of ways to customize your workflow. But it's time-intensive, and honestly, the learning curve is kind of rough. CapCut is super speedy. You can finish whole videos in under an hour, even if you're new. Tons of templates, and instant effects totally geared for social. Not ideal for long-form editing, but wow, it's fast. For convenience and speed, CapCut takes this round. Time for platform and device support. Premiere Pro is all about desktops. Runs smooth on Windows or Mac, super stable. But there's no official mobile app, no web version. Plus, you need a pretty powerful machine. CapCut, meanwhile, is pretty much everywhere. Mobile, desktop, web, you name it. It'll even work on your tablet. Mobile gets less features compared to desktop, but honestly, CapCut is way more accessible. So for platform support, CapCut is winning. Okay, and here's something cool. AI and automation. Premiere Pro actually packs a lot of pro-focused AI. Auto reframe, smart scene detection, automated transcription, the nerdy stuff powered by Adobe Sensei. But these are kind of designed for folks who know what they're doing. CapCut, it's all about rapid-fire automation. Auto captions, AI cutouts, instant background removals. Fast, friendly, totally social first. You don't get manual AI tweaks, but for everyday creators, CapCut nails this category. On to collaboration and cloud. Premiere Pro lets you sync projects with Adobe Cloud, work with team libraries, and manage big creative collaborations. Downside, you'll need an Adobe account, and it's not exactly built with social media in mind. On the other hand, CapCut makes sharing projects pretty seamless, even integrates with TikTok, saves to the cloud, super handy. Not quite as pro for big teams, but great for solo creators. Honestly, I'd say they're about even here. Last up, who are these even best for? Premiere Pro is a dream for filmmakers, YouTubers, anyone doing client work, even broadcast TV. But if you want to crank out a quick social post, it's honestly just too much. CapCut is perfect for TikTok creators, beginners, anyone doing short form or mobile stuff. Not for your feature film debut, but for viral clips? Yes, please. For pros, Premiere Pro wins. For social-first content, CapCut's your go-to. So when you put all these categories side by side, you'll see Premiere Pro absolutely dominates on pro features, audio, and color, while CapCut wins hard on price, speed, platform support, and AI that just works out of the box. Collaboration, kinda neck and neck. So, what's the verdict? Honestly, Premiere Pro is the king if you're going for serious filmmaking, epic YouTube projects, or client work. CapCut, though, man, if you want quick, viral-ready content and zero headaches or a learning curve, it's the obvious choice. Your pick comes down to what you actually need: pro-level control or super fast edits and social media magic. Found this helpful? Save or share the cheat sheet for later. And hey, subscribe if you want more hands-on creator comparisons.